Stay big man.
Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. So in today's video I'll be unboxing an 18-inch ring light that I bought from TAKEALOT, and I'll be explaining much about it throughout the video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, let's get straight into this video. So loves, this is an actual box of the ring light. I had to go for the 18-inch ring light. I didn't want to go lower than that. So what you find inside the box of the ring light, it's a remote. The only downfall about it, it comes in another language, and it also doesn't come with a manual. And you also find a charger and 3 phone holders. So loves, the nicest thing about TAKEALOT, their prices changes a lot. So you might find this ring light cheaper than the price I bought it with, but I'll link down the link of the actual ring light down on the description box for you guys. So I bought this ring light around Black Friday, and it took 2 weeks for it to arrive at my house. And the nicest thing about TAKEALOT, if you're a new user, you get free shipment. So guys, you also get a tripod with your ring light, and this tripod, guys, stretches way too high. It went over my head, but you can adjust it with the length you want. Another thing that I forgot to mention for you guys is this: the box also comes in another language, but everything is explained to you guys. You don't need Google or anything for you to assemble the ring light. You can basically do everything by your own self. So I'm basically showing you guys how I assemble this ring light, how I also adjusting it. So guys, the nicest thing about this actual ring light is this: I don't need to get closer to it for the quality to be clear. So if you're someone that wants to buy a ring light and doesn't know much about ring lights, it's best to go for your 13 inches, your 10 inches if you only want to buy a ring light just for pictures. But if you're someone that want to do live videos, create content for YouTube, it's best to buy an actual 18-inch ring light for your quality to be good and clear. So the nicest thing about the whole packaging and the ring light is this: you can actually do everything by yourself. Now I get the reason why they didn't include the manual. So with this phone holder, it holds your phone or your camera so secured it doesn't fall, but you can also remove it just in case you don't want to use it. So guys, I'm about to plug in the charger for you guys to actually see the actual lighting of the ring light and the different type of lighting it has. I'm probably not explaining much to you guys on the video, but you guys can actually see everything that I'm doing in the video. So this ring light comes in a light lighting. It also comes in a good lighting where it makes your skin glow. You can change it into different type of lightings. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next video.